My name is Gary. I'm grade 5 student of DCU. I'm gonna tell you about a story. The title is A Hungry Fox Who Got Caught in the Tree Trunk. Once upon a time, there was a hungry fox was searching for something to eat. No matter how hard he tried, he could not find food. Finally, he went into the edge of the forest and searched there for food. When he searched there for food, he see a tree with a hole in it. When he see the hole, he see a package. And then the fox jumped into the hole and opened the package. When the fox opened the package, he see bread, meat, and fruit in it. And there is a woodcutter who placed the package in the tree trunk while he cut down the tree. The woodcutter was going to eat it for lunch. The fox happily began to eat, but when he finished eating, he felt thirsty and decided to leave the tree trunk and search for a nearby spring. No matter how hard he tried, he could not get out from the hole because the fox has eaten too much food and he became too big and too fit to get out. And the fox, very sad and upset, he told himself, "I wish I had think a little before jump into the hole." Finish. Thank you.